Since ancient times, guinea pigs have become domesticated animals, cherished and raised widely across the globe. However, in certain South American countries, like Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, southern Colombia, and northern Argentina, guinea pigs are not only beloved pets, but also considered a valuable delicacy, a traditional dish that holds deep cultural significance. So, how do farmers raise these animals in large numbers to meet the ever-growing market demand? Let's find out. The guinea pig, scientifically known as Cavia porcellus, is a rodent native to South America, particularly the Andes region. These creatures have deep ties to the culture and daily life of indigenous peoples in these areas. An interesting fact is that in traditional Andean healing practices, guinea pigs are not just pets or food. They play an essential role in diagnostic rituals. It was believed that by gently rubbing a guinea pig over a patient's body, healers could diagnose illnesses based on the animal's behavior, movements, and sounds. As European trade flourished in the 16th century, guinea pigs became prized exotic pets, especially among the wealthy and royalty. Spanish conquistadors introduced them to Europe, where they quickly became a luxurious gift, cherished in aristocratic homes and regarded as symbols of status and wealth. In recent years, guinea pigs have become increasingly popular as pets around the world. Known for their friendly, social nature, these small animals thrive in groups and can become stressed or anxious if kept alone. As a result, experts strongly recommend keeping at least 2 guinea pigs together to ensure they stay happy and healthy. Their playful, affectionate personalities make them wonderful companions for families and individuals alike. However, guinea pigs aren't just cherished as pets. In countries like Peru, guinea pig farming has become an essential source of livelihood for many. These small rodents play a significant role in providing both food and economic opportunities, particularly in rural areas. Their rapid growth, high reproductive rates, and ease of maintenance have made guinea pigs a popular choice for farmers, especially those operating small-scale businesses. In fact, guinea pigs are not only valuable for their companionship but also for their contribution to local economies. To ensure that guinea pigs are healthy and their living spaces are hygienic, many farms use multi-tiered cage systems with a raised mesh floor. This design allows the guinea pig's feces and urine to fall into a collection tray below, making it much easier to maintain cleanliness. This not only keeps the cages tidy but also helps prevent the spread of diseases, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy herd. As herbivores, guinea pigs are highly efficient at converting forage and other plant-based foods into high-quality meat. They tend to consume more food relative to their body weight than larger livestock, such as cattle or sheep, which contributes to their rapid growth and production. Their diet primarily consists of hay, which is essential for their digestion, along with fresh vegetables like kale, lettuce, and broccoli. To supplement their intake of vitamin C, guinea pigs are also given small amounts of fruit, helping them maintain their health. Farmers feed guinea pigs hay throughout the day to ensure they have a constant source of nutrition. Fresh vegetables are given once or twice daily, while fruit is offered 2 to 3 times a week. In addition to these, guinea pig pellets are often added to their diet to provide extra nutrients and ensure a balanced, healthy meal plan. Maintaining a hygienic and secure environment is critical to the success of guinea pig farming. Not only does this help keep the animals healthy, but it also ensures that the farm operates efficiently and that the animals produce high-quality meat. Cleanliness plays a key role in preventing disease and promoting the well-being of the guinea pigs, making it an essential aspect of running a successful farm. Guinea pigs are known for being highly prolific breeders, with a short gestation period of only 68 days. Female guinea pigs can produce several litters each year, and each litter typically consists of up to 4 offspring. What's particularly remarkable is that the babies, called pups, are born fully fur and independent. Within hours of birth, they are already capable of walking and feeding themselves, a rare trait among mammals. At just 15 to 18 days old, guinea pig pups are weaned from their mother's milk and separated into pens based on sex to prevent fighting and ensure a safe environment for growth. Farmers often organize the pens with a ratio of 8 females to 1 male to optimize breeding efficiency, ensuring that the breeding process is well managed and that the farm operates at peak productivity. Guinea pigs are fast-growing animals, and their high reproductive rates make them an excellent source of meat for farming. By the time they are just 3 months old, guinea pigs reach maturity and are ready for harvest. At this stage, they typically weigh between 700 to 1,200 grams, making them the ideal size for processing. Their rapid growth and efficient meat production contribute to their success as a profitable livestock option, particularly in countries like Peru and Bolivia. Processing guinea pigs is a meticulous and respectful process, ensuring that the meat is prepared with the highest standards of hygiene and quality. Once they reach maturity at around 3 months, the first step in the process is to gently submerge the guinea pigs in warm water. This helps loosen their fur, making it easier to remove. After this, the fur is carefully stripped away, and the carcass is thoroughly cleaned to ensure it is ready for consumption. In many parts of South America, especially in Peru, guinea pigs have long been considered a cherished delicacy. For generations, rural families have relied on guinea pigs as a vital food source. They are not only easy to care for but also grow quickly and provide a significant amount of meat. The appeal of guinea pigs as a food source lies in their impressive nutritional value. They offer lean, flavorful meat that is high in protein and low in fat, making them a healthy and nutritious option for families. This makes guinea pig meat particularly popular in regions where protein-rich, low-fat meat is in high demand. One of the most popular ways to prepare guinea pigs is by roasting, a cooking method that brings out their rich taste and tender texture. This preparation method makes guinea pig a beloved dish in many households, particularly in South American countries where the meat is a traditional delicacy. Roasting allows the meat to retain its natural flavors, making it a satisfying and flavorful option for family meals and celebrations. Livestock transportation plays a crucial role in meeting global food demands, moving millions of animals across borders each year. From long-distance journeys between farms to the demanding overseas trips that can last up to 300 hours, the trade of live animals has evolved into a massive and profitable industry. This intricate process ensures that livestock is transported efficiently and safely, helping supply meat and other animal products to markets worldwide. The history of livestock transportation has undergone several key stages of development. In the early days, animals were often transported by small boats, with transportation methods evolving over time to meet the increasing demand for live animals across vast distances. The industry has become more sophisticated, incorporating modern technologies and improved logistical systems to ensure the safe and timely delivery of livestock. The transportation of livestock has a long history, evolving through several stages to become the complex industry it is today. In the early days, livestock was transported across archipelagos, particularly in the Baltic Sea region, using small boats. By the 17th century, ships from England began carrying livestock to the New World colonies as an essential type of cargo. However, these early transportation methods were often harsh, leading to high mortality rates among the animals during the journey. After the American Civil War, Texas Longhorn cattle were herded to railheads in Kansas, where they were transported to Chicago, the largest meat processing hub of the time. This marked a pivotal moment in the development of livestock transportation, as it shifted from traditional methods like cattle drives to the use of railroads. By the late 19th century, the advent of railroads and refrigeration technology revolutionized livestock transportation. These innovations significantly reduced the need for long cattle drives and greatly improved the efficiency of transporting live animals. The ability to keep animals cool and provide more stable transportation conditions was a game changer for the industry. Today, ensuring the well-being of livestock during long journeys is more crucial than ever. Extended trips can leave animals exhausted, dehydrated, and stressed. The development of more sophisticated transport methods, including modern railcars, trucks, and even ships, helps ensure that animals are properly cared for during long journeys, maintaining their health and safety as they make their way to markets around the world.